It's your boy J Will back with another video update. In this video, gonna be quick, just gonna show you guys the results I got today from the ClickBank and Google ad I did yesterday. So let's get into it. Jump into Google. Today we received 17 clicks, 306 impressions, about $4.37 per click. We spent $74.36 today. Click on the ad. Okay, the ad. Go. Yeah, the interaction rate is 5% today. It went down from yesterday. Let's head over to ClickBank, log in. Let's go. Come on. As you can see, today is Monday, October 18th. We did make a sale today, but we only made about $40 today. As you can see, Snaggle Gut. Someone in, I don't know what MI is. I don't know if that's Michigan or what, but as you can see today, we're not in profit, but I just want to show you guys that, the ad is still running. And I don't want to just show you guys the good. I want to show you guys the bad too. I could fix this ad, cut all the keywords off that's not working right now, and add the ones that is working. But I'm not gonna. See, it came from a cell phone. That give you a little bit of data of what works. So a cell phone, you can make sales too with cell phones or tablets or computers. Log into ClickMagic right now. October 18th, that's the day. Let's see, as you can see, Snaggle Gut right here shows one sale. Look at the IP address. See, we made $40.63, 174.211. Let's find his IP address in here. 174.211, 174.211. 174.211, right here. They typed in Snaggle Gut, and it came from a cell phone. So this campaign only been running for a few days now. So we got a little bit of data. We can go off that data and make the campaign better. I might let it work for one more day and just see what we can do in one more day. And after that, I'm gonna cut it out because it's just a case study just to show you guys how to get started with Digistore, ClickBank, and Google Ads. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at jwiltv. You guys have a good night.